Here's how to connect Google Calendar to n8n in 2026. So there are two ways to connect Google Calendar. If you're on n8n Cloud, you simply click the sign in button and you're good to go. However, if you're self-hosted, this is where things change. First, go to console.cloud.google.com/welcome. The link is in the description below. Second, if you don't have a project, go ahead and create one. If you already have one, you don't have to worry about this. Third, make sure you have the right project selected, and we're going to go down here and click APIs and Services. Now first, we're going to configure our OAuth consent screen, so you click here, click Create OAuth Client. We're going to go Application Type Web Application, give it whatever name. And for Authorized Redirect URIs, we are going to add the URL to our n8n. So we'll jump on n8n, we'll go to Create Credential, we'll type Google Calendar, click Continue, and this is the URL you're going to copy. Go back here, you paste that URL in there, and click Create. Now it's going to give you this client ID. This is important. Go ahead and copy that, and go back and paste in the client ID. Next, you can click on the client, and it will also give you a client secret. So go ahead and copy this client secret. Again, paste it right there, but we're not done yet. There's a little bit more to do. Next, we have to go up here and type Google Calendar, and click the Google Calendar API right here. Click Enable. Alright, now that it's enabled, we can go back over here and click Sign In with Google. Select the account that you want to use. It's going to say Google hasn't verified the app. That's fine. Just click Continue. Click Select All. Click Continue. And you're good to go.